MTDCNC have been really busy on this push stock campaign, helping to get the industry back on its feet. And today I'm with Mark at NCMT, looking at the Makino EDAF3 HEAT. Now, Mark, tell me about the machine, please.
Well, this is a sync machine, Gio. So obviously you can see that it's attached to an Aroa system as well. You've got the hyper eye control, which yet again, there's not much you can't do on this this control panel, and if you've got problems, it gives you like a doctor, and it really can help. Now, the wonderful thing about Makino EDM machines, they're very, very high spec, very rigid machines, very accurate machines, and what you can't do on a machine tool, you do it on one of these.
Yes, Mark, incredibly high spec EDM machine. Now, I'm familiar with EDMs and the applications that they lend themselves to, but I've never seen one automated before with this Aroa system. It's palletised effectively.
Yeah, I would say it's fairly new. I've seen a couple out in the field recently, but the one thing about NCMT is they're a solution provider, so their customer is obviously looking for the best solution. They've teamed up with Aroa. As you know, they're very well known for their automation systems, and really this machine is very, let's say, less intervention with people, let the machine do the work, lights out engineering to a certain extent, but from an EDM sync point of view.
NCMT have proudly joined this campaign to try and get the industry moving again with some special offers. What's the special offer on this stock machine?
Well, NCMT don't normally offer machines with a price tag, but they are today. You can pick this machine up for less than £142,000, so contact NCMT for more information.